Eurogear is an industry-leading engineering and re-engineering firm with some of the largest machining, fabrication, gear making, and gearbox repair capabilities in North America. Our U.S. and Canada-based operations represent the highest quality standards and short lead times. A few key services include specializing in solution finding and implementations that have been proven to increase the reliability and performance of OEM parts and equipment. Lowering downtime increases plant profitability and return on investment. Gearbox overhauls, upgrades and optimization to meet and exceed our clients' load and output requirements. Machining, fabrication, and repair capabilities of mining equipment up to 200 tons. We offer regular site visits and provide mechanical and reliability engineering training to mechanics and staff. Want results? Contact Eurogear today, toll-free, at 1-866-702-3126 or email info@eurogearinc.com.